Huh? What's going on? What? Is there chaos? I need to stop this. Hey guys, stop making chaos.
Ha, it's fun.
Huh? Oh my god, what should I do? Ah. What? Why did I bring the slab out?
This TV show is really bad. Why did the main character die so quickly?
Bro thinks he's watching TV when he's actually looking at the window.
Bruh.
Let's tell him that it's a window. Hey
Wow,
bro,
that's so cool.
I want to tell you something. Yeah, that's cool. I kind of want to see it too. Huh? Green smoke. Let's clear out these mobs.